Welcome to your AI college. Today we will discuss about multi-turn conversation concept in AI. We will see what problem we have and how multi-turn conversation concept is solving that problem. We will do the hands-on to understand this concept clearly. So LLM models are stateless. They do not know anything about previous conversation. Let's understand this problem with an example. So we have this chatbot running with us. Let's just give some prompt to it. Example, who is Sachin Tendulkar? Sachin Tendulkar, tell me in 3 words. Okay, so it responded with cricket legend icon. Okay, now let's just ask him what's his DOB, date of birth. Okay, see the response. I'm sorry, but you haven't specified the whose date of birth. So our LLM model is not able to identify whom we are talking about here. So it do not remember anything about any previous conversation. So here we clearly asked who is Sachin Tendulkar, and then we just asked about what is date of birth, and that's the problem which we can solve with the multi-turn conversation concept. Let's just build chatbot application without using multi-turn conversation, and then we will move our this chatbot application to use multi-turn conversation concept. Let us start with a fresh chatbot project. So we can initialize our new project with the UV init chatbot. Okay, now let's just open into the PyCharm. So I have opened the chatbot project into PyCharm IDE, and we will build our chatbot application with the LangChain framework. And if you're not familiar with the LangChain framework, you can check out my another video, what is a LangChain. I'll give its link into the description. Let's just add a LangChain. So we'll write UV add LangChain. Let's also add LangChain Ollama. We are using Ollama models. UV add LangChain underscore Ollama. Okay, let's write the code now. So we'll first import the chat Ollama from LangChain Ollama. So we'll write from LangChain underscore Ollama import chat Ollama. And we'll just write simple print statement saying chatbot started, and we'll just give simple kind of instruction also, right? Like type exit to quit. Okay, now let's just define our LLM just to chat Ollama. We'll select the model equals to Quen 2.5, and we'll keep temperature equal to 0. Okay, let's start the while loop now. While true, we'll just write we'll just take an input, kind of prompt input from command lines. We'll write like this prompt, or we'll just say user prompt equals to input, and we'll just say this. And if user prompt is equal to exit, then we'll just say break. Okay, we will define the messages equals to an empty array. Let's just create a human message equals to human message, and then we'll give content equals to user prompt. Okay, and we'll do messages dot append and the human message, and then we'll just invoke our LLM dot invoke, and we'll just give messages to it. It will give the response. We'll just take into the response variable, Now we'll just simply print it and response. Okay, so we'll just give it to response. Okay, and okay, so we have this pretty simple chatbot without using the multi-turn conversation. Now let's just run it and see the problem. Okay, it started. Now let me just give the prompt like who is Sachin Tendulkar, tell me in just 3 words. Let's just do fast forward. Okay, so it responded with cricket legend retired. Okay, now let me just ask what's his DOB. Okay, we got the response and see it's saying I'm sorry, but you haven't specified whose date of birth we are talking about. So this is the problem. Let's solve this problem by using the multi-turn conversation. Now let's just implement multi-turn conversation concept where we will give all the old messages including user prompt plus generated response to LLM with every new prompt. So to keep the history of messages, first we need to initialize this messages array at the global level. We have to keep out of the while loop. So we'll initialize it here and then we'll take a user prompt. If it is exit, we'll just break. We'll define a human message. We are appending the human message here. Now we are invoking it and now we just have to append the response, generated response, and to add the generated response we will going to use AI message type, which is another type of message available into the LangChain. So we'll just write messages dot append AI message, and we'll just write content equals to response. Now in this way, our messages array will have the user prompt and the generated response as well. So in every run, we will give whole history to the LLM with the every new prompt. Now let's just give a run to it. Okay, let's just write who is Sachin Tendulkar, tell me in just 3 words. Okay, we got an error. What's that? Messages dot. Okay, we have to just do response dot content. Okay, now let's just run it once again. Okay, now just write again who is Sachin Tendulkar, tell me in just 3 words. Okay, so it responded Indian cricket legend. Now we'll just write what's his DOB. Now we have got the response from LLM and it's able to tell the date of birth. So LLM is able to recall all the past conversation and answer the current prompt accordingly. I hope by now you have understood the concept of multi-turn conversation. If you like it, please hit a like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. Your AI College.